If not properly maintained, garbage rooms and dumpsters can offer a food source that attracts rodents, flies, and birds to your building. Cleaning these areas regularly can reduce the population of these pests around your premises and reduce the number of mice or rats trying to find a way into your building. Carry all trash to dumpsters in tied-off plastic bags in order to keep them clear of food debris. Never place liquid waste or leaky garbage bags into a dumpster. Make sure to keep dumpster lids and garbage rooms closed and secured to prevent them from becoming a food source. Keep dumpster areas tidy and always use garbage bags or trash cans. Do not overfill. Should there be a spill, clean up as soon as possible. Garbage containers and areas should be cleaned and sanitized on a regular basis. This will help to reduce odors and the spread of harmful microorganisms. Have cleanup materials ready near the dumpster or loading areas in case of accidental spills. Be sure to call your waste management service to replace any dumpsters that are damaged or leaking.